Welcome learners. This is Analytical Skills Foundation Course 8, SV University, November 2020 question paper discussion. Examination held on November 19th. Here, the following table gives the sales of different types of batteries manufactured by a company over the years. Study the table and answer the questions that follows. Numbers in thousands. Here, these are the types of batteries. We have 4Ah, 7Ah, 32Ah, 35Ah, and 55Ah batteries. Here, from 1992 to 98, the total per years total we have 543. For 92, 543. For 93, total batteries 528. This is in thousands. Okay, this is the battery wise totals and this is the year wise totals. Here, this is the percentage of 4Ah batteries in that particular year. Out of 543, 75 is the 13%. Out of 495, 105 is the 21.21%. Okay, this is the total of batteries. Total batteries in all years. Okay, this is the highest. 32Ah batteries, 7 years, 901,000. This is the sales. Okay. Let us look at the questions. The total sales of all the 7 years is the maximum for which battery? This is 32Ah 901. 901, 32Ah. Second question is, what is the difference between number of 35Ah batteries sold in 1993 and 1997? In 1993, they are sold 84,000 and in 1997, 45,000. Difference is 39,000. The percentage of AH batteries sold to the total number of batteries sold was maximum in the year. Look here, this is the 4AH batteries, percentage of 4AH batteries in total batteries. In the year 1997, it is 21.21%. This is the highest. In the year 1997 is the highest. Okay. In the case of which battery, there was a continuous decrease in the sales from 1992 to 97. Look at these batteries, 75, 90 increase, 144, 126. Look here, 7Ah batteries, 144 decreasing, continuously decreasing. Okay, continuously decreasing. This year only slightly increasing. Okay, 7Ah batteries are continuously decreasing. What was the approximate percentage increase in the sales of 50Ah batteries in 1998 compared to that in 1992? We need to compare 1998 with 1992. So 1992 is the in the denominator. 108, present is 145. This is the base. 108 is the base. For base year, 100 is the percentage. And this is 134.259%. 145 by 108 into 100. There is 34% growth approximately in 55Ah batteries in 1998 when compared to 1992. Okay, for base year it is 100 and 134 means 34% growth. Sixth question, 5 plus 12, 17 plus 12, 29 plus 12, 41 plus 12, 53. 53 is the answer. A, one letter missed, C, two letters difference, F, three letters, four letters, five letters. After O, after J, four letters difference, O is the option and two question marks. Further, five letters missing and OU is the answer. Here, look here, D, E, F, E, F, G, H. Okay, three letters gap. For all these three pairs, three letters gap. P, Q, R, S, three letters gap. After T, U, V, W gap. Okay. So for all these four options, there is four letters gap. I don't decide which is the correct option. You can get answer carries full marks. If any correct answer, suggest in comments. 9 square minus 1 80, 100 square minus 1 9999. Even prime number is 2. This is the simplification 3.1 into 0.3 plus 7 by 5 is 1.4 divided by 20. 0.93 plus 0.07 is 1. Find out the odd one. Here all these are using DC power. Calculator is not using DC power. This is N O P Q R S N O R S T U X Y. YZ also there. Decide which is the correct option. After TU, okay, N O P Q R S S T U V W X Y. Okay, this is the correct option. LCM of 224. This is the, we need to multiply all this. 216 is the least common multiplier. Here is no option. Sum of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here 12 into 13 by 2, 6 into 13, 78. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 12 into 3 is 36. 36 into 3, 108. Into 3, 324. Look here, this is x square minus 7x minus 12. RHS comes in LHS plus 12. Minus 4x minus 3x. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. X minus 4 is equal to x is equal to 4. 3, 4 is the option. Highest common factor for 84 and 96. This is 2 square 3 7. Among these three 2. For 2, least square is 2 square. For 3 is 3. 7 is 7. Okay, 2 square into 3 into 7 is the highest common factor, that is 84. ST. If we allot 1, 2, 3 is to alphabets, 1 for A, 2 for B, like that. For S, it is 19. For T, 20. That is, sum is 39. For UV, for U, 21 alphabets. 21st alphabet is U, 22nd alphabet is V, 21 plus 22 is 43. For WX, this is W. W is the 23rd letter, X is the 24th letter, sum is 47. Similarly, for Y, it is 25, Z is the last number, 26th number, total is 51. Another options A, B are not satisfying this condition. The average of first 5 multiples of 3. First multiple of 3 is 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 45 by 3, 15 is the answer. This is square on both sides. X plus 1 plus x whole square is equal to 16. Squaring on both sides. X square a square plus b square plus 2ab x gets cancelled. 2 remains here. Comes to right hand side. It is 14. X square plus 1 by x square is 14. The car is running a speed of 108 kilometers per hour. We need to transform it into minutes per second. 108 into 5 by 8. 30 minutes per second. This is the speed and the time is 15 seconds or 50 minutes. Distance is equal to speed into time. 28% of 450 is 126. 45% of 280 is 126. Sum is 252. A man buys article. This is the cost price 27.5, selling price 28.6 T, and gain percentage, gain is 1.10. Gain percentage is, we have formula, gain into 100 by cost price, 1.1 into 100, 110 by 27.5 is 4%. Radio purchased for 490, this is the cost price. Sold 465, selling price. Loss percentage, we have direct formula, loss into 100 by cost price. Here loss is the difference between cost price and selling price. CP minus SP is loss. SP minus CP is gain. Okay, 24.5 is the loss into 100 by 490 is the 5% is the loss percentage. A train passes through a telegraph for 90 seconds, 9 seconds. 9 seconds is the time. Speed, it is in 54 kilometers. We need to transform it into minutes per second. 54 into 5 by 18, 15 minutes per second. 15 into 9 is 135. Average age of man in and his son is 22 years. Okay, this is the ratio 19x plus 32x divided by 2. Here we have only two numbers. Sum of two numbers divided by 2 gives us the average. Okay, this is 22 average. Okay, 19 plus 3x is equal to 44. 22x is equal to 44x is equal to 2. 19 into x is this father's age 38. That is son's age is 6 years. A pen was brought for rupees 60. This is the cost price. Cost price is 60. Selling price sold at gain 10%. Gain percent is 10. We have formula for selling price. 100 into gain percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Substituting this the formula, this is 66 is the selling price. This is directly given. We have given P and R, I. Okay, I is equal to PTR by 100. Then T is equal to T is in the middle. T is equal to PTR is equal to IT. PTR is equal to 100 into T. This 100 gives here 100 into T. We need only T. This multiplies in the RHS. Okay, I is 3000. 3000 into 100, 3 lakh divided by 15,000 into R 75. It is the 4 years is the answer. This is the simplification. 36 into 5, 15, 540 minus 56 into 784, 43904 divided by 112. We have 148. Yes, this is squaring on both sides. Gives us x square plus y square plus 2xy. Here xy is the 4, 2 into xy 8. 8 goes RHS. Okay, 25 minus 8 is 17. 75% is 75 by 100 or 0.75. Arrange in descending order. 11 by 17 is equal to 0.647. 7 by 11 is 0.6363. 5 by 15 is equal to 0.5333. 5 by 9 is equal to 0.45. Okay, this is the least one. 15 by 5. Next is 0.555. 5 by 9. Next is 0.63. 7 by 11. Next is 11 by 17. This is, we have formula. The product of two numbers is product of their LCMs. Okay, here one number is 275. We need to find x. The product of their HCF and LCM. We have x is equal to 308. The simplification is minus 4. Check this once. What is this bar? Okay, I solved like this. Here 7 minus 15 is equal to 22. 10. This is 3 into minus 22 minus 12, 36. 25 minus 36. Minus of minus plus and this is 18. 18 plus this is 11. Okay, 25 minus 29 is minus 4. Average of first 40 natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of n natural numbers divided by 40. Okay, this is n is 40 into 41 by 2 into 40, 80. 1640 by 80 is 20.5 is the average of first 40 natural numbers. 2.5 can be expressed as 250 by 100 or 250 percentage. Divide 1162 among A, B, C in the ratio 35 plus 28 plus 20. Okay, we need to add all these three numbers. 35 plus 28 plus 20 is 83. A share is 1162 into 35 divided by 83, 490. B share is 392. C share is 280. A cyclist cover a distance of 750 meters in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, we have to change it into kilometers per hour. And this is the time. He travels, his speed is 8.68 kilometers per hour. Check it once. The mean proportion of AB is root of AB. Similarly, the mean proportion of 48 into 12 is root of 48 into 12, root of 576, it is nothing but 24. The simple interest, we have formula simple interest, principal into rate of interest into time. We have time is 67.2 by 3 is 6667. Okay, this is rate of interest. Time is, I take time as 1 year. Okay, 1 year. Principal into rate of interest into for 1 year by 100. This is 11,333 by 12. We have 12 months. Okay, I divide the total simple interest into 12 months. This is the interest for 1 month, 944.4463. For 9 months, it is 8,500. The cost price of 15 articles. Let cost price of one article is equal to rupees 1. The selling price is 15. Cost price is 12. Gain is 3. Gain percentage is equal to gain into 100 by 12. That is 25% is the gain. Here A share is 8 parts, B share is 9 parts, C share is 10 parts. It is nothing but multiples of 15th table. Okay, 15,000 into 8 is equal to 1,20,000. 15,000 into 9 is this. 15,000 into 10 is 1,50,000. Okay, A is 8 parts investment, B is 9 parts, C is 10 parts. Then the total profit is for at the end of year is 56700 into A share is divided by total is 8 plus 9 17 plus 10 27. This is 68 16,800. Similarly for B, for C, this is 2/5 of 38%, 3 by 10 of x is equal to 15. This is 6 by 50, x is equal to 15, x is equal to 125. 20% of 125 is 25. Compound interest formula is principal into 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 power n. Here n is the time. 7,500, 1 plus 4 by 100, this is 104 by 100, 1.40 square is, okay, this is 8112 minus, this is the total principal and the total, this is the principal and the interest accumulated by compound interest is 612. After 15 years, this is x is the present year plus 15 years is the 5 times his age before 5 years. Okay, this is x plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 25. X goes here, 4x is equal to 15 comes here, 40, x is equal to 10. We can check it here. After before 4 years, that is 5 years. It times 5 times 5 into 5 25. Okay, this is binders charges 14%, cost of printing 30%, cost of paper 15%, other expenditures royalty 16. Okay, I constructed a table. Binder charges 14%, cost of printing 30%. This is percentages. Okay, this is advertisements, this is royalty. Look here, advertisement charges are less than royalty. Advertisement charges are 20%, royalty is 16%, 4% is the difference, 4% less advertisement charges. The cost of printing 19,500. Printing is 19,500. That is, printing is 30%. Okay, printing is 30%. When 30% is 19,500, what is the 10%? Third part of 19,500. 10% is 66,500. Similarly, 20% is double 13,000. Okay, we need royalty 20%. So royalty is 13,000. The total cost of printing 3,000 copies 12,000. Per copy 4 rupees. You need profit of 25%. Okay, 25% of 12,000 is 3,000. 3,000 plus 12,000 is 15,000. Per copy, to get 25% profit, you must fix 5 rupees as the book cost for each copy. If the cost of paper is 15,000, okay, cost of paper is 15,000. 15% is 15,000. Okay, 30% is 30,000. Similarly, excluding advertisement charges and royalty, advertisement charges 16%, royalty 20%. Okay, 100% means 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus this 2, 30, 20, 36. Okay, 74,000 is the cost of paper. If the cost of, then total cost excluding these two is 74,000. I subtracted only this adds only. The royalty also we need to subtract minus 16%. Total 1 lakh minus 20 plus 16, 36 we need to subtract. That is 74% is the total cost. Thank you.